Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Logan and I am a proud alum of the University of Delaware. During my time at UD, I had the privilege of participating in both the Basic Open Water Dive course and the Scientific Dive Study Abroad program. My journey with UD Scuba began in my sophomore year, and it remained a central aspect of my college experience until graduation. The skills I gained throughout these programs extended well beyond diving. I developed valuable leadership, teamwork, and scientific skills that have been instrumental in my professional development. I am particularly grateful to Captain Burns and the faculty members I met through the UD Scuba program for their unwavering support and guidance. Their passion and enthusiasm have had a lasting impact on me and continue to inspire my work today. The relationships I formed and the skills I cultivated through the UD Scuba program helped shape my time at UD and opened the door to numerous exciting opportunities, such as internships with the Georgia Aquarium, where I was able to dive with incredible animals every day. I was also able to participate in a design thinking challenge hosted by the National Marine Sanctuary Foundation. In this project, I led a team of engineers in developing an innovative method of coral restoration, and I was able to travel down to Key Largo and present this idea in front of multiple leaders in coral restoration and marine science. Some of my most cherished memories from my time at UD stem from my involvement in the Scuba program. Thanks to the training and experiences I gained, I was able to pursue a career where I apply these skills regularly, working with the Mote Marine Laboratory Coral Restoration Team in the Florida Keys. Regardless of your major, this program will help you grow and open doors you didn't know existed. The Scuba program inspired me to commit to UD, and I hope that it can inspire you too.